Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can find that I'm using macOS Ventura on my Haswell desktop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS Ventura on Haswell desktops and how to enable the graphics integration on macOS Ventura. So without getting much more delay, let's get started. So friends, first of all, just open a browser and search for CPU-Z. Open this very first link and click on here in links. Close this ad. Click on download now. When it's download is completed, just click over it. Click on yes. Close the browser and install this. Now click on finish. Close it. Now CPU-Z is installed. Just click on here. Click on yes. Just wait a few seconds. Here you can see your processor details. The code name is Haswell. That means I'm using a Haswell PC. That is i5 4th generation. Just close it. Now again, browser and search for OC auxiliary tool. Just now open the very first link. Here just click on the latest. Now here click on OCAT Win64 zip and download to the storage. Now just click on it, minimize the browser and select the OCAT and put it to the desktop. Now close the zip. Now just right click on the start menu, select the disk management, and here you will have to create a minimum 100 gigabytes drive. Just right click on the bigger drive, click on shrink volume. Here I have taken as 100 gigabytes space. Now click on shrink. Now you will have to right click on the unallocated space, click on simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next, put the drive name as macOS and click on next, click on finish. Now it's done. Close disk management. Now you will have to open this OCAT folder and just scroll a little bit. Here you'll find auxiliary tool. Just open it, minimize the folder. Now here click on this icon configuration template. Now click on Intel CPU configuration template. Now on this page click on playlist. Here you will have to search for Haswell desktop. Here is Haswell desktop project. You'll have to download iMac 10.1. Click on here and from here click on this icon and it's downloaded. Now minimize the browser. Now here click on OK. Now click on file, click on open, go to download and here just select this Haswell, click on open. Now click on edit and select generate EFI on desktop and it's showing SMC processor.txt and SMC super IO is missing. Click on OK. You can see the EFI is generated. Now just open this EFI folder. Now go to the browser. Now on this browser, search for Open Core Install Guide and here open the .NET site, click on Get Started. Now create gathering files, just scroll a little bit and here you'll find Virtual SMC. Click on here, click on Latest and from there click on Release. Now it's downloaded, just open it, minimize the browser and go to Text and here go to OC folder and go to Text. Now here come again here, select Processor and Super IO, just drag and drop here. It's done, close it. Now go to kernel and here 2 are added and it's showing red. Now click on save. It's a green. That means it has been successfully added. Now again right click on the start menu, go to device manager and here you will have to click on network adapter. Just double tap on it and here you will find the Realtek, the Ethernet controller. In my case it's Realtek. You'll have to check your Ethernet driver. Now close it, go to the browser again and go to this .NET site and from here select Ethernet and here you'll find Realtek. Click on here, just click on the latest and download this version 2. And click on here, it's downloading. When it's downloaded, just open it, minimize the browser and open the folder, go to release and here you will find the text. Just select it and drag and drop it to here. It's added. Now close it. Here you can see it's automatically added Realtek. Now you will have to go to DP and here you'll find 3 lines. The middle option is the correct and the last one select and click on the minus, select this and click on minus. Now it is here and just double tap on here and remove the hash. Click on here, it's done. Now click on save. Now just go to NVRAM. Now here you'll find 3 view IDs. Just select the last one, that is 9F8B. Now here select the 5, double tap on here, right click on them, click on copy and now you will have to come CSR active config here, right click on them and paste it. Now you'll have to go to my video description and there you'll find some commands. First of all, just copy this command, right click on them and copy and go to the OC and here go to boot Args, right click on here, paste them. Now here select #1. Now select 1 to 5 and delete them. Again click on save. Now just go to PI tab and from the drop down select iMac 18.1. you'll have to select iMac 18.1, click on generate. Now you'll have to click on check, go to OC tool again and select this serial number, right click on them and copy and go to browser again and paste the serial number here, put the code here and click on submit. It's showing a serial number that has been purchased. If showing like this, you will have to change the serial number again. Again, go to here, click on generate and select this serial number and click on copy. Again, go to here, go back, here's the serial number here. Again, fill the captcha, click on submit. It's showing please enter valid serial number. That means it's free and it's free to use. Close the browser. Now here, click on generate. Also click on generate here. Now just click on file and click on save. It's done. Now close it. Also close this. Now again open your browser and search for Balena Etcher. Open the very first link, click on download and here click on Windows platform and click on download. Download will start it. Now you'll have to search for Olorilla. Open the very first site, click on vanilla images, scroll a little bit and from here download the Ventura image. Click on media file link and from here you'll have to download. After downloading, close the browser, go to downloads folder and just install the Balena Etcher. Okay, now open the Balena. Now you'll have to click on flash from file, go to download folder and select the Olorilla vanilla image. Click on open. Now you'll have to insert a pen drive to PC minimum 16 gigabytes. Now click on select target and select your pen drive. Now click on flash. Now you'll have to wait for 15 to 30 minutes to complete the process. When the process is completed, you will show flash completed. And then you will have to close the Balena Etcher. Now again go to the download folder, install the miniature partition wizard. The downloading link will be given in the description. Click on yes and install it. Click on finish, close the browser. Now click on launch application. Here select your pen drive and right click on the EFI folder, click change layer, click on OK and apply. Click on yes. Now again click on yes, close it. Now go to the downloads folder again and now right click on Explorer++, extract, click on extract. Now it's extracted. Open the folder and right click on this Explorer++ application, run as administrator, click on yes. Now go to desktop and here you will find EFI folder. Just select it and right click on here, click on copy. Now go to this PC and open this EFI drive and right click on here, click on paste, select replace the file destination. Now it's done. Close the application, close the file explorer. Now you'll have to restart your PC and access the BIOS menu of your PC. To access the BIOS menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now on the BIOS menu, you will have to set these recommended parameters. When the BIOS setup is completed, press F10 on your keyboard and hit the enter key. Now this time you'll have to access the boot menu of your PC. To access the boot menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. On the boot menu, you'll have to select your pen drive and hit the enter key. On the screen, you'll have to select macOS Ventura and hit the enter key. Just wait a few seconds. Now on the screen, select disk utility and click on continue. Here from the drop down, select show all devices. Now here you'll have to select your drive macOS that has been created earlier and now click on erase. From the drop down, select APFS, click on erase. It's not done, click on done. Again click on erase. Again select APFS. From the drop down, click on erase. Now click on done. Now close this utility. Now click on install macOS Ventura. Click on continue. Again click on continue. Now click on agree. Again click on agree. Now this time you'll have to select your drive, that is macOS. Click on continue. Now the installation has installed. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. You'll have to wait here. Your PC may restart several times. Whenever your PC restarts, you'll have to access the boot menu of your PC and boot again from the USB. Whenever your PC restarts, you'll have to access the boot menu and from the boot menu, select your pen drive and hit the enter key. Now this time you'll have to select the macOS installer and hit the enter key. Here you'll have to wait again 10 to 15 minutes. Now again you'll have to access the boot menu and from the boot menu select your pen drive and hit the enter key. Again select the macOS installer and hit the enter key. Now again go to the boot menu and select the pen drive and hit the enter key. This time you will see macOS. Select the macOS and hit the enter key. Just wait a few seconds. Again access the boot menu, select your pen drive and hit the enter key. Again select the macOS and hit the enter key. Now on the screen, select your country and click on continue. Again click on continue, select not now, click on continue. Click on not now, click on agree, click on agree. Put the name of your PC, here set your password and click on continue. Click on continue, select done use, select your city and click on continue. And check this, click on continue, select server letter, select your theme and click on continue. Click on quit. macOS Ventura is installed. Now open this macOS Ventura, select the file and drag it to the desktop. Now it's done. Now open the files, select open core and open it. Click on tools, click mount EFI, select a mount partition, put your password and click on OK. Click open partition, put the partition is here. Now click on mount partition here. Now open this EFI, put this EFI here, close it. Go to this EFI folder and also open this, select this two, right click on them, copy, go to here, right click on them, paste two items, click replace. It's done. Now close it. Now you will have to restart your PC and boot into Windows. Now you will have to click on start, search for cmd, run as administrator, click on yes. Now open this command. This command will be given in the description too. Copy the command, close it, right click on here and hit the enter key. Now it's done. And again restart your PC and boot into macOS. Now whenever you restart your PC will boot into macOS or Windows without the pen drive. Put the password of your PC. Now open your browser and search for Chrome download. Scroll a little bit and click on download. Click accept and install. Click on allow. Now when it's downloaded, click on here. Just select the Chrome and drag it to application. Just wait a few seconds. It's done. Close the application, close it, and also quit the Safari and just right click on it, eject Google Chrome, go to application and open the Chrome, click on open, click start Google Chrome, use Chrome and don't sign in. Now search for Open Core Legacy Patcher, click on here, click on get started, click on download, click on release and here click on latest, scroll a little bit, here download the Patcher GUI app, just wait a few seconds to download. Now it's downloaded, just click on here, close the browser and select Open Core Legacy, put it to the application. Now it's done. Close the application list, go to application, and here's the Open Core Patcher. Just open it, click on open, put your password, and click on OK. Now click on post install root patch, click on start root patching. It's detected as Haswell. Just wait a few seconds. Click on OK. Now you'll have to click on reboot and reboot your system. Click on restart, select macOS and hit the enter key. It seems the display is working fine. Put your password and hit the enter key. Now you can see that there is a transparent effect. The display is working fine.